RAIS RUTO ne kiririte wirane ati antu baria bonthe bakajukagwa na gutonya kiri jeshi kana borithi baria baingi bao bakethagirwa baria bakurukirite uritani bwa NYS akera kiri wikiri thumbi MABISAA ba NYS terecha Gilgil County na Nakuru. RAIS RUTO augite kinya kiri marija michara jara MABISAA ba mukagira ikongero na gichunchi giki nene kienda kwagirithia moturo jao ni aria ongerete ati bagatigira makurutu baria botonya na kumaruka kiri gikundi giki bakuongereka bo katha kenda kuguna nthuki imithe. Tuko ya naru RAIS RUTO na atongerete kiri mambura ja gwikirwa thumbi kwa makurutu ja NYS mambura jara thithikirite ntere cha Gilgil.
And I am glad to be here as we celebrate the achievements of our youth in their preparation to serve their nation and mark another important milestone for the National Youth Service community who have made this event possible.
Akiari RAIS RUTO na ugite kiri mwaka 5 ijete thirikari gatigira ni kumiria MABISAA ba NYS ngiriegana rimwe o mwaka.
We have embarked on a strategic re-engineering of the National Youth Service to enhance the capacity of the institution to take up greater numbers of trainees, position it on the path of financial sustainability through revenue generation, thereby creating the conditions to support the expansion of enrollment to 100,000 young people annually in the next 5 years.
Nkurukina ugite thirikari ni jukite murungamo jumweru ati gichunche kia 80 kirigana kia makurutu baria bakajukagwa kuthungira kiri rwangi rwa jeshi kana wenda KDF bakaumaga kiri NYS.
Tumeamua kama baraza la usalama katika taifa la Kenya kwamba wale wote watakaoajiriwa kwa jeshi la Kenya, kwa polisi wa Kenya, Kenya Forest Service, Kenya Wildlife Service, 80% watakuwa hawa vijana ambao wamefuzu kutoka National Youth Service.
Augite Kenya ni gwatanirite na nthiguru ingi kathumba na gwitikaniria gutumaga MABISAA baba ba NYS kiritwanya twangugi nthiguruni cia ume.
Tumekubaliana ya kwamba National Youth Service katika ile harakati ya kupanga vijana watakaoenda kufanya kazi katika nchi ya nje. Already we are concluding negotiations with Germany, we are concluding negotiations with Saudi Arabia, we are concluding negotiations with another 8 countries on export of labor, and the National Youth Service is going to be the central organization for pre-deployment training so that Kenyans understand what they need to do when they go out for work as labor that is exported from Kenya.
Muthia RAIS augite michara ya MABISAA ba NYS ikongereka na gichunchi kia 40 kirigana kwanjiria mwaka twitite jwa kithirikari.
When I was here last year, I did commit that we were going to include the National Youth Service in the review of salaries and working conditions of both the police, the prisons, and I committed that we are going to include the NYS, and we did. Let me confirm that as the report was presented to me and to government, National Youth Service, beginning the next financial year for 3 years, their salaries will be increased by 40% going into the future.